Hello, welcome to Crocheting with Mad Cow Maddie. Today we're going to learn how to do a chain stitch. So, I've already got my slip stitch and my hook in the loop. To start, you're going to yarn over, like so, and then you're going to pull it through. And we're going to do it again. So yarn over, and then aim your hook down, and pull it through. This works because when the hook is aimed down, it goes into that V of the loop, so that your hook doesn't get caught as you're trying to pull it through. So as long as you aim your hook down and you're holding on to your work, like I am, you kind of hold your work, pull it down gently so that you can create that little space or gap for your hook to go through. And then you want to keep making sure to slide your work all the way over your hook to the fat part, so that's what keeps your loops the size that you want it. So we're just gonna keep going. I believe I changed 12 in this video. I kind of just picked a random number. But yeah, here's another slow one just to show you again. Yarn over. When I say yarn over, that means the yarn literally goes over the hook. Your hook goes under it. And then you bring the hook up and over. And then you pull it right through. And you just keep going as far as you want. So I'm doing 12 if you want to do it the same length as I am, but it's just as an example. So there you go, there's your chain. Have a good evening. Bye.